Hello and welcome back everyone. In one of my previous videos, I created an AI assistant named Jarvis using Olama and Llama 3 model. However, we faced some limitations with that setup, mainly due to the high hardware requirements for running the model locally. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce our new and improved AI assistant Nexus. This version is significantly faster and more powerful as it utilizes the largest language model Llama 3.1 and it also do not run on system locally, making it much faster. So first, let's set up our Hugging Face. So you have to go to huggingface.co. Here you have to click on sign up. Provide your email address and create a password so you can sign up to Hugging Face. But I already have an account, so I will just log in. Once you have logged in, you will see an interface like this. But now you have to go on the address bar and add a slash and write chat and hit enter. After that, you will land on an interface like this one. So now you can choose any model from this to which you want to chat. So I'm using Llama 3.1, which is by far the most powerful model available on this site. Now you can ask any question and chat with this model as you want. Like I just have said hi and it has responded me. So now we have to integrate this with Python. For this I have installed this cookie editor. I will drop the link of this extension in the description below. Click on this extension and click on export. And after clicking that, click on JSON. Then the JSON will be copied to your clipboard. Then go to your PyCharm. Once you are on PyCharm, create a new file. Create a new JSON file. So I will name it cookie.json. Once the new file is created, paste the JSON which you have copied from the extension. So let's dive into the Nexus AI code and cover some important details. Before starting, let me tell you that you will find the complete project details and the code for the Nexus AI in the description below. Be sure to check it out for all the specifications. So let's start from the top. I have imported several modules for this project. The commands to install each of these modules are listed right next to their respective imports in the code. One more thing, I have not used the standard speech recognition module of Python in this project. I have made my custom speech recognition system, which is both much accurate and faster than normal speech recognition module. If you want to know how I made it, you have to watch my previous video. The link of that video will be in the description below. In the line 21, you have to make a slight change to run this code. You have to change this file path with your cookie.json file. You just have to right click on that file and click on copy path reference and then click on absolute path. After that, paste it right here. Other than that, you don't have to make any other change. This will work absolutely fine. Now let's test our AI. Before we do, here are a couple of important details. First, I have added a wake word in this code, so use the word Nexus before issuing any commands. This ensures that AI only responds to specific requests and does not pick any regular conversation. Second, I have included this phrase that will automatically add it to your prompt. This helps the AI provide concise and to-the-point responses as it previously tended to give longer answers during the testing. Now let's run the code. Nexus.
Yes, I am here.
What is the time?
Current time is 15:57.
In Nexus?
Yes, I am here.
Can you tell me what is artificial general intelligence? You can see how fast the speech recognition system is.
Error face, please try again.
Nexus,
Yes, I am here.
can you tell me what is artificial general intelligence?
Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. AGI refers to a hypothetical AI system that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, similar to human intelligence. It would be able to reason, solve problems, and learn from experience, without being limited to a specific domain or task. In essence, AGI would be a machine that is as intelligent and versatile as a human being.
Nexus,
Yes, I am here.
can you tell me what is 543 multiplied by 333?
17,919.
Nexus,
Yes, I am here.
can you tell me what is the fastest car in the world?
The fastest car in the world is the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, with a top speed of 330 miles per hour, 531 kilometers per hour.
We have encountered some errors during the testing as you saw because the Hugging Face model can get overloaded, but I have added error handling to prevent code being terminating. This isn't the end though. Like Jarvis, this AI lacks emotional understanding and personal insights. Stay tuned for future developments as I work on creating more advanced AI. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon on for more updates.